Welcome to the unboxing of the brand new CMF Phone 2 Pro, a smartphone that redefines design in a refreshingly new way. Even the packaging makes a thoughtful impression: clean, minimalist, modern, true to the typical CMF style. Minimalism is not just claimed here, it's consistently implemented. And right when I open it, something particularly impressive stands out: a case included in the box. I had actually already been looking for a suitable case, but CMF includes one straight away. This is far from a given at this price point. It shows that quality and user orientation don't have to come at a premium. First glance at the device itself. The Phone 2 Pro sits securely and firmly in the box. The presentation is absolutely top-notch. Upon first touch, I'm surprised by the material choice. It's made of aluminum, which not only gives the device an aesthetically pleasing high-end touch, but also feels great to the touch. The combination of plastic and metal is executed cleverly here. The matte texture of the back gives the phone a subtle premium feel that's very pleasant to hold. The camera module is especially striking. In addition to the smartphone itself, we find a color-coordinated USB-C charging cable, and of course, the manual. And yes, I purposely say the very, very important manual. The signature CMF SIM eject tool, beautifully designed. The CMF Phone 2 Pro really makes an impression. For this price, it delivers not only a unique design, but also a well-thought-out overall package.
As for the camera, let's talk about that for a moment.
The CMF Phone 2 Pro comes equipped with a triple camera setup: a 50MP main sensor, a 50MP telescopic lens with 2 optical zoom, 20 digital, and an 8MP ultra-wide unit. For selfies, there's a 16MP front-facing camera, so whether you're capturing breathtaking landscapes or stunning self-portraits, you're covered.
Let's dive into the technical details, and honestly, CMF shows that great design can definitely be paired with powerful hardware. Let's start with the processor. Inside, we've got a powerful chip that delivers more than enough performance for daily tasks. Apps launch quickly, multitasking runs smoothly, and even gaming is surprisingly fun, with no lag or noticeable delays. For a smartphone in this price range, that's really impressive. We get a 120Hz fast panel. This ensures buttery smooth animations, especially when scrolling or swiping. For comparison, the new iPhone 16e only has 60Hz in this regard. That means CMF gives you twice the refresh rate here, and you can feel it with every touch. All for a third of the price. When it comes to storage options, CMF doesn't skimp. Depending on how much space you need, you can choose from several variants, perfect for anyone who stores lots of photos, videos, or large apps on their phone. I'll show you the exact options here. As for the colors, you can choose from several variants, including a subtle gray, classic black, and a bold, almost sporty orange. It's all clean, but with a clear design identity. It feels modern, minimalist, and yet stands out nicely from the crowd. I also checked out CMF's official website, and things get really interesting there. In addition to the Phone 2 Pro, there are other exciting models. You're getting a lot for a small price. Now, on to my absolute favorite feature, the modular back. For example, a wallet case where you can carry your cards, or a phone strap that you can wear around your wrist or neck. There are even optional lenses that you can screw onto a special back panel. That's it for the unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next part. Until then, thanks for watching.